Yep, I know YouTube's killing me on these videos today, but I want to show you guys the retaining wall system. Hopefully it will maintain it. You can see these are pylons driven in, these steel H-beams. They're the real strong back of resistance for this. They're going to allow the retention or maintaining of holding back the pressures of the soils, the earth around it. This is what they look like when they're being built. There's the false work, the woodwork, as you can see. These are prefab units that drop in. They're prefab, and then you see the false works, and it's stone between the false works and that. That's a drainage system. So that would imply or tell you that the soil side is on the side I'm standing on, which would be kind of wrong because this bridge has already been finished. But obviously they plan on doing more to it. So let's just give you an idea. And that's the approach of this. And there's the top part and then back down again. So what's it going to be? I don't know on this one. You can see where it was. The old structure was over here at one point. And now they widened it. We're here. I mean, they moved it over to this side. That was the approach. That was the abutment over there. That was it there. And it's going to go back, but I'm not sure. Obviously, they're putting it back. But I don't know the intent of it. Don't know the intent of that one, but it's a quick video to share with you guys. Could be a rail bridge, you know. They might be shifting the rail bridge over and then shifting it back. I don't see any where they're replacing this. It would be a false bridge over here that is going to slide in place. That's not present. And Philadelphia is doing a lot of this right now for the railroads, the rail lines. But this one's got me. I've not a clue on what they're doing, considering this has already been done. But the clue is over here on this side. It's a widening of the structure, getting down on Market Street here, getting over to it. There's your epoxy rebar, 1-inch stuff, you know, it's number 8 rebar, it looks like. Pretty badass. That's some good, hell of reinforcement. My car's down there. I got to get to it in 12 minutes. But that's that. I just thought I'd walk with you now and show Trader Joe's. That's where I need to go. But I had no idea this was closed off up here. I took the left turn when I should have taken a right turn when I was coming back over that bridge. And I'm not sure if you saw the other bridge video today. Whoever's on here. Oh, I got a rock in my shoe. But it had two sides to get on top of the bridge. My dumb ass went down the other side of it. And I went up the other side of it to make it easier to come back to the car. And Philadelphia will tow your ass if you don't pay. But I used the parking app. Parking app's badass. I would have never made it, but I just extended it by 12 minutes. It seems like I got to extend again. Look at this thing go down. They've closed off all this access for this bridge. This is all the approach right here. Here's more of the approach. You can see the concrete. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see the concrete decking, or that's not decking at all. What am I saying? You see the concrete roadway. Now, let's look over to the left. This would have to have something going on here too, if that other, in the beginning part of this video I spoke of, yeah. And they've got no survey stakes. I was hoping to see that. That would give me a big clue on what they would have intentions of doing, and I don't see them. It's a tough one. Why are they reinforcing over there? I'd have to go down the underside of the bridge and look at that. But man, they're redoing this whole street. That's a lot of dollars they're throwing right there. All concrete at this point, not an asphalt wear layer. Well, again, I hope that other part of the video worked. Here's the train rail over to your left. Train rail's to the left, and I'm gonna go down and around. Okay, that was a little something I heard over there. Oh, I like this. Look, I wonder what that is. It's a hole. Wait, what's this one? It's a hole. That's nice. They mark it with hole. these days. You know, I'm surprised they didn't have to put it in Spanish. So here we are, downtown Philly. You guys are looking at me walk to my car at this point. There's that curb. That's that curbing is going to get recycled, as a lot of municipalities make you recycle that. So that's why it's all out like that. Let's cross here. I'm just going to push traffic out of the way a little bit. They didn't give us any walkway to cross over. You guys can see me get run over. I don't give them slack. I sort of push my hand. See how she moved over? I tell them to move the hell over, and they do. All right. So that's that. There's your downtown Philly. Let me zoom out again. You can obviously find out where I am by, well, I guess you can't Google any of this crap. Here you go, Commerce, 1900 Commerce Street at this point. I'm really walking. I'm just putting the camera up, let you guys see it. See different things. Over here, 2 Commerce Square. I don't know where 2 Commerce Circle is. Get it? Square, circle. Oh, skateboarding. That kills that. That kills that. I planned on skateboarding. Not really. Kinko's. Staples. FedEx. Market Street. Back to the market. Hope you guys can enjoy that. To Commerce Square. I do like this right here. This is a cool little spot. Look at this. They come out here from the buildings. They can have their little lunch. Little water fountain in the background. And we got Jazz Pharmaceuticals. Big ass screen. Football screen. How you doing? And Subway. So anyway, there you guys are. It's this is Market. This is Market Street. So what else I got for you? That's about it. I'm gonna test video out in a second. There's a Dunkin' Donuts. What we got over here? Commerce Square again. Number 1 Commerce Square. So you see them both, number 1 and number 2. Interesting, they're building a new building downtown on the river here. 2 of them. 300 plus units on one, and they're gonna give a total of about 97 parking spaces. Philadelphia is so friggin' corrupt. How are you gonna do? Hey Hermit, how are you gonna build a 397 unit building and put like 97 parking spaces in it? And retail is going to be in that building also. It gets worse. There's a sister building of the same type, but it's like 300 units in that case, 295, and they're going to give it like 95 parking spots. So that's going to be a parking spot drama in excess of what, 500 or so. They're going to need additional parking. So that's Philadelphia for you. What's up, Hermit? So there we are. I'm gonna almost hit my spot, my parking spot, and then I'm gonna hang up the video and move on. I hope that other video loaded where YouTube kept beating me up, because I put some damn good shares on that. I wouldn't say great information, just good shares on this last, not this one, the one before this one. It should extend out to about 30 minutes. Right now I think it's at 13 minutes or something like that. Hopefully YouTube didn't screw me over. Subway, not the place you eat, but the real Subway. The real Subway. And there you guys go. So this is town, well, Philadelphia, right on the riverfront there, one of the riverfronts. We've got multiple rivers here, so this is just one of them. All right, I'm back at my place, car, and I'm gonna jump out. There's that structure, that bridge that I had to walk all the way around. That's the one they're working on also. That was a waste of energy. Hope you guys can appreciate that, and take care. See you on the next one. Oh, tomorrow I'm trying to go to a, I'm not sure where I'm going tomorrow. I'll check you guys out, bring you along.